everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and I know noodles can be intimidating. You have to measure the flour, knead the dough, cut them into uniform shapes and sizes. It's a lot. But to help you get there, we're gonna make some simple Chinese-inspired noodles. Let's get into it. Grab a bowl and combine all-purpose flour, salt, and baking soda. Once mixed, pour in some water. Doesn't even have to be hot or cold water, doesn't matter. That's how easy these noodles are. Mix until a dough begins to form, then dump the bowl onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes until the flour is fully combined and you're left with a soft, smooth ball. Cover the dough in plastic wrap and rest on the counter for 2 hours. Once it's rested for a bit, remove the plastic and place the dough back onto a floured surface. Knead the dough ball for another 5 minutes to soften it up and make it more pliable. Now use a rolling pin to flatten out the dough. It'll take time and definitely some muscles, but work the dough flat into a sheet about 1/4 of an inch thick. Generously dust one side of the sheet before gently folding the dough over itself. Use a knife or dough cutter to cut the dough into ribbons. I typically go for about 1/4 inch thick. Once cut, gently unfold and pull the noodles away from each other. Add one more generous dusting of flour to keep them from sticking. To cook them, simply bring a large pot of water to boil. Slowly add the noodles to the pot using chopsticks to keep them from sticking in the water. Depending on the thickness of your noodles, cooking time will vary from 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse the cooked noodles under some cold water before adding them to your favorite stir fry. And there you have it! Super easy Chinese-inspired noodles. Make sure to come back next week to see how we incorporate these noodles into a yummy Asian stir fry. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what some of your favorite noodles are down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. To cook them, simply bring a blah blah.
A what? A blah blah.